Welcome to Chapter 9, Drug Identification and Toxicology. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify controlled substances and describe the goals of toxicology. Our objectives include identifying the 5 types of controlled substances, relating overdose symptoms to specific drug classes, describing the role of toxins in death, discussing bioterrorism agents, and defining toxicology. Toxicology is the study of poisons and drug identification, which includes medicinal, recreational, and criminal use. Drugs can be ingested, inhaled, or injected. Toxicity is the degree to which a substance is poisonous or can cause injury. Key factors influencing toxicity are the method of use, duration or frequency, nature of exposure, and any interaction with other drugs. Forensic toxicology is crucial in determining cause and effect relationships between exposure to a drug or other substance and any resulting toxic or lethal effects. People can be exposed to toxic substances intentionally, for medical reasons, accidentally, through overdoses or harmful combinations, or deliberately, by harming others or through suicide. The history of drugs and poisoning dates back to 399 BC with Socrates' death. Significant events include the use of arsenic, the Jonestown tragedy, and the Ricin poisoning of a Bulgarian dissident in 1978. Commonly used poisons include arsenic, cyanide, strychnine, and chemicals found in fertilizers. Acute poisoning involves a high dose over a short time, while chronic poisoning involves lower doses over longer periods. Poisoning accounts for less than half of 1% of homicides, but accidental drug overdoses are much more common. Drug offenders make up a large percentage of the federal and state prison populations. Controlled substances are legal drugs whose sale, possession, and use are restricted. They fall into 5 categories: hallucinogens, narcotics, stimulants, anabolic steroids, and depressants. Hallucinogens, often plant-derived, affect a user's perceptions, thinking, and emotions. The effect and intensity of the response can vary greatly from person to person. Overdosing on hallucinogens often leads to an increased heart rate and blood pressure, as well as panic attacks, anxiety, or psychosis. This table details characteristics of overdoses from various hallucinogens, including MDMA, mescaline, LSD, and PCP, with symptoms ranging from increased heart rate to seizures and death. Narcotics are used for pain relief by suppressing the central nervous system, often causing unconsciousness. Overdose characteristics for various narcotics are listed in this table. Stimulants increase energy and alertness while suppressing appetite. They are highly addictive. Overdose symptoms include high blood pressure, agitation, confusion, and seizures, often followed by depression. This table outlines the characteristics of drug overdose for stimulants such as amphetamines, cocaine, crack cocaine, and methamphetamines, which can include high blood pressure, seizures, and a dangerous rise in body temperature. Anabolic steroids have a structure similar to testosterone, promoting cell and tissue growth. They are popular among athletes and can increase bone mass and muscle. Possible negative side effects include stunted growth, infertility, and blood clots. Depressants like barbiturates and benzodiazepines slow the central nervous system by increasing GABA activity, which relieves anxiety and induces sleep. Side effects include slurred speech, loss of coordination, and increased risks when mixed with alcohol. Alcohols, particularly grain alcohol, are depressants that affect the central nervous system. They are toxic, and chronic alcohol abuse can lead to severe health issues. Bacterial toxins include tetanus or lockjaw, which causes violent muscle spasms, and botulism, which paralyzes muscles. Botulism is considered the most poisonous biological substance. Toxins can be organic, produced by living organisms, or bacterial, such as botulism and tetanus. Contaminated foods can cause botulism. Pesticides and heavy metals are other types of controlled substances. This figure shows the effects of some common heavy metal poisons on the body. The effects of heavy metals, such as mercury, arsenic, and lead, range from headaches and kidney damage to skin lesions and death, even in small doses. Ricin, a bioterrorism agent, is a poisonous protein found in castor beans. It is lethal in extremely small amounts and can be inhaled, ingested, or injected, causing death within hours. Another bioterrorism agent is anthrax, caused by Bacillus anthracis. It spreads from infected animals to humans through inhalation, ingestion, or skin absorption, with inhalation being the most lethal form. In summary, Forensic toxicology is essential for identifying poisons or drugs in individuals involved in crimes, as well as for cases of drug overdose and sporting violations. The 5 main groups of controlled substances are hallucinogens, narcotics, stimulants, steroids, and depressants. Poisons can be produced by living organisms. Pesticides and heavy metals are common poisons, while ricin and anthrax are examples of dangerous bioterrorism agents.